Hi, I'm Barry with Alexander Arms, and today I wanted to talk about the one and only Beowulf. Despite its engine block busting power, you might be surprised to find out that it's actually a low pressure round. At 34,000 psi, this round does not require any sort of extra heavy buffer or spring in the lower receiver. It was specifically and carefully designed to be put onto a mil-spec lower receiver with no add-ons and nothing extra. If you don't have a mil-spec buffer in your gun, you're probably going to have some issues with it. So what do I mean by a mil-spec buffer? For a fixed stock, you want a 5.2 ounce buffer. For a collapsible or a 6-position stock, you want a 4.6 ounce buffer. Any other weights, anything that is not those two specific weights of the buffers, are going to cause you issues. Cycling issues, feeding issues, extraction issues. Like I said, it's very carefully designed and engineered to have those two specific weights and nothing else. Now do keep in mind, there are some companies out there that are using the term mil-spec more of a sales pitch, but they're not actually military specification. It would be a very good idea to have your buffers actually weighed to make sure that they're the actual military specification 5.2 or 4.6 ounce weights. Like I said, if you don't use those two, depending on fixed stock or 6-position stock, you're going to have issues. And next, I wanted to talk a little bit about the magazine for the Beowulf. The Alexander Arms Beowulf mag is a proprietary design. The internal mechanisms are different than a 5.56 magazine, although the outside looks basically the same. If you try to put Beowulf rounds into any other type of magazine, yeah, they may load into it, but they're not going to cycle correctly. We recommend only Alexander Arms Beowulf magazine. Again, we design the round, we design the magazine. They work well together. Well, there you go, the Alexander Arms Beowulf. I hope that was helpful. A couple little tips for you. If you have any questions or concerns at all, feel free to give us a call. Happy shooting and be safe.